Alright guys, so we're off to Hyderabad. Finally go out, meet some people. I found out that pumping your own gas, Hyderabad, India, is illegal. You can only have someone else do it for you. And as a result, it's like Oregon. It's like job creation, you know? Ay, ay, ay. This is how I die, guys. If my channel doesn't upload, this is how I went. 1000cc bike through Hyderabad at midnight. This is how I go. Guys, this is how I die. Goodbye. Goodbye, crew world. Ay, 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 this guy's a madman. But this is how they drive out here in India, man. This is how it's done. This is normal. It also smells like ass right here. That's crazy, man. No wonder Indians hate the big bikes here, man. They drive like assholes. Like, we're on the wrong side, they're on the wrong side, everyone's on the wrong side. Wait, this is only a one way. Ay, ay, ay. If the local is shaking his head at what these people do, I can even be more at awe at what they do. Ay, ay, ay. I can tell you one thing, the LEDs are amazing on this bike. Everyone gets the F out of the way, boy. Look at this car. Look, this car is in 2 lanes. He's lane splitting right now. This car is lane splitting. Yeah. This biker, man. Oh, there he is right there. He's still going. He wants to race. See what I mean? Like in India, guys, like bikes are like the main mode of transportation. There's so many bikes here. There's more bikes here than there are cars. Oh my goodness, look at that.
This is the place of quits.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I can touch that guy right there. Look at this, look at this. Insane. Insane. honestly a free-for-all here, man. Absolutely unreal. Driving here has opened my eyes, I'll tell you that right now. This car wants to race the bikes. Insane. Look, it's a Honda Civic. It looks like the Acura CSX back home. Is that a Yaris right there? It is a Yaris, but it's called something else here. Oh, no way. Got that on video. That guy's rear ended that car. Jesus.
Capture accidents of Hyderabad very rarely. You're really a lucky guy.
Yeah, that's crazy, man. So we had the right of way, but the cars still come. That's crazy. This is not that many bikes at all where I live, man. This is more bikes than cars here. Everyone uses bikes. 100cc, 150, 125s, up to 250 is like the most common. And no one wears helmets. No one wears helmets. Look at this person walking their cart. The guy's going the wrong way on the road. Unreal, man. This guy's in the middle of the road. Pick a lane, like pick a lane. He's blocking the road. That's what he's doing. Ay, ay, ay. The guy just wants to drive in 2 lanes the entire time. Welcome to Hyderabad. This guy's on his phone. I love it.
Now we'll be going to the best places of Hyderabad.
Yeah?
The most happening places in Hyderabad.
Yes, that's what I want. The most happening places in Hyderabad. Look at this. This is insane. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You gotta experience new things. Driving retarded, like normal is a new thing for me. Oh yeah. It's a Honda dealer. Triumph is right there.
It's a new road going on.
Okay, so a new road's being built right here, but there's no lane markings for the other side to know. Give him a thumbs up, he didn't know what to think. His evil. So we're on the other side of traffic right now, guys, and the other traffic doesn't know that we're here because there's no lane markings. And then there's a scooter went down the wrong side. So everyone turns their hazards on because oncoming traffic doesn't know that we're here. And everyone's honking. Oh my God, look at this. No one knows. No one knows it's supposed to be here. That is hilarious. Back home we'd have like, dude, back home it'd be like a kilometer of signs, you know? Here it's like, good luck. So back home we'd have like a kilometer of signs saying road closed, sign people. Here there's no sign people. Here it's just good luck. And this bike's still coming. Their lane has 2 lanes and there's still people coming the wrong way. Like I said, man, if your vehicle fits, you go. That's the way it works in Hyderabad. Let's get in trouble. Look at this rickshaw go, this tuk-tuk. Oh my God, he is not having any of it. That's the most aggressive tuk-tuk, rickshaw, what they call them autos here, auto I've ever seen. So watch this red light. Watch this red light. Look at that, right there, red light. In Hyderabad, in India, red light, green light, same thing.